All right, traders. Good morning. Um, we are going to go through yesterday's trades. We hit two winners, one in gold pre-market. This is on Tokio, by the way. One in hold on, hold on. All right, so one in Tokyo pre-market, one in the actual Tokyo session, and I'm about to journal this. All right. So this is gold longs. I need to do a better job on this video because I don't have the 15-minute chart here. But just because I know my charts, this is a 15-minute, very important high low, 15-minute low. So I'm looking for longs, targeting yesterday's intersection highs. This should be no, this is pre-market, so this is entirely Sydney. This is during Sydney. Hold on. All right, so this was yesterday, Thursday. No, yesterday was Tuesday. And yeah, this was through Sydney on a price failure above a very important swing high, swing low, 15-minute swing low. Execution wise, I'm not in love with the execution or the setup, to be completely honest with you. But because gold has been trading so fucking hard to the outside, such a bull move, I'm willing to take a semi or under optimal entry, um, targeting the highs. This is a very fast trade. I'll definitely wouldn't take it in any other market conditions than this being a very strong bullish market. But yeah, I mean, it played out to the T. So what do we have here? We have as an entry, we have money line break, we have a trend line break. Both money lines broke to the upside. From a failure on an important level, that's awesome. So that's I mean, I would have wanted this to be Sydney starting Tokyo, right? But I'll take what I can get. Right, so let's see. Nothing to see, nothing to see here. Just pure strength. Yeah, with two kings on drawdown, so on trade management, I want to see something because I think I moved my stops. Normally, I should be moving on the next structure, right? Because if price comes back and breaks with the structure low, I don't want to be long anymore. So that's the rules on how I trail my stops. I mean, at least to break even, right? Um, but again, let's move on. And there we go. So we do have that break off for the structure. Is a 1 minute chart. On the close of this candle, I should be able to move my stops to below this low, reducing my risk, probably even adding on a pullback. That was the entire idea. That was the entire idea. So yeah, we got that massive bullish break, and then I think I moved my stop losses higher. Let's see. I think so. But then I chickened out. Yeah, I mean, that was a bad decision. And there, I should have had. So trade management sucks here. Why? Because you're going to see that I move my stop losses to below the lows, which is perfect. But then on this pullback, instead of adding an extra five contracts here, what I did is move stop losses below, back below the lows. So that's terrible. And there we go. And boom, target hit. So that's the first one. And the second one is on the Japanese yen futures. Oh boy, we might get a gold long immediately. So I'm going to do this very quickly because I'm trading the Asian session right now. And apparently we're going to go long gold. Um, yeah, so very nice. This is a perfect trade, actually. Perfect execution here. That was a trap. We executed, money line broke. We got short, massive level. I know what that level is. Everybody knows. And then we just wrote it. We just wrote it to target. This is Japanese yen, so it's a little bit slower, right? Those very important lows were holding as buyers were jumping in there, but then we broke, and then boom, we hit target. Nothing more to see here. That's a beautiful trade. This was an A plus setup, A plus execution, A plus everything. So yeah, happy with the result of yesterday's session. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, I'm watching Good Mythical Morning too. All right. Ooh. All right, we need that 1 minute close. Oh, I don't think that is that.